bullish ARK cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1.70 and $3.71 by 2030. Market examiners accept ARK could reach $1.70 by 2025. Bearish ARK market cost expectation for 2022 is 30 cents. ARK presentation. ARK plans to make the most common way of making a blockchain more straightforward for people who maintain that should do as such with the assistance of its environment. Clients can tweak different components, including expenses, money, and modules, in a way like that of a web designer. The essential cache associating this multitude of created networks together is called ARK. The ARK cost is down 17.44% as of late in spite of having an overflow of use cases. We should get familiar with ARK's set of experiences first, and afterward hop into its cost expectation. What is ARK? Designers can assemble their own blockchain utilizing the ARK biological system. Interoperability, layouts, and customization are only a couple of benefits of making your own task on the ARK blockchain. Indeed, even while chasing after a blockchain task might seem troublesome, ARK has made it as straightforward as could be expected. That was the thinking behind choosing JavaScript and TypeScript as the environment's essential programming dialects. The ARK deployer instrument is utilized to begin a designer's blockchain. Information handles that can be altered incorporate name, exchange costs, ticker, image, and others. This offers the engineers the capacity to plan a blockchain that works for them. Engineers can sort out their groups utilizing the instrument's administration framework. The ARK Programming Advancement Pack, which gives additional customization choices including money determination, is one of the engineer devices accessible. The numerous modules and local wallet of ARK can be utilized by projects based on it. The biological system's money, called ARK, has numerous applications. For the most part, network clients and engineers use it as a speedy and reasonable stockpiling of significant worth. A pointed evidence of stake agreement is utilized by Bitcoin, in which 51 representatives are assigned to vouch for or produce blocks. By permitting token holders to stake their tokens to pick a representative, ARK decreases the worries of centralization that have distressed different organizations. ARK Essential Examination. The ARK organization and its local coin was sent off in 2017. The typical exchanging cost of the ARK coin was 3 cents then. Notwithstanding the underlying absence of movement, it turned bullish at the finish of the year and encountered its biggest forward leap. Starting in December, the second emphasis of ARK was delivered, and thus, its base cost esteem soared. That very day, its wallet was additionally refreshed, upgrading the representative democratic UI. ARK took off to a most extreme worth of $10.91. It couldn't keep up with this most extreme cost level, however, and during the next months it fell sharply. By the finish of that year, the cost of ARK had essentially declined from $1 shutting 2018 at 38 cents. Up until its ensuing bounce back over 2 years after the fact, it exchanged beneath past normal cost. Jerk's combination of the tipping framework CoinKit in 2021 made it feasible for clients to tip designers on the live streaming site by sending them ARK. The environment likewise completed its Market Square highlight in late walk and made it accessible to ARK colleagues, making walk a bustling month. Before long, ARK encountered its greatest cost ascend to $3.98. Sometime thereafter in September, ARK again moved toward that level. The organization's third rendition went live. This update improved the biological system's apparatuses, framework, and numerous different highlights. It saw one more meeting in 2022 as another update to Form 3 went live, which fixed messes with and further developed security. ARK crested at a most extreme worth of $1.67 then, yet has since fallen and is exchanging at any rate cost of 77 cents. ARK Specialized Investigation. Most of forecasters have positive expectations for ARK. As per Wallet Investors' value projection of the ARK coin, it is an astounding venture that will transcend $1 in a year and afterward outperform the $3 mark in 5 years. Tech News Leader predicts that the cost of ARK digital money will outperform the ongoing price tag of $1 this year and cross $3.50 in 5 years. In 10 years, the ARK cost gauge is at a greatest cost worth of $21. Price Prediction made a comparative estimate, foreseeing that the ARK coin will exchange at a typical cost of more than $3.50 in 5 to 6 years. It extends that the greatest cost of ARK Cash will be more than $24 in 10 years. ARK Current Cost. ARK is at present worth 37 cents USD. ARK has moved 0.95% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,875,606. ARK is at present positioned 346 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $54,395,810 USD. ARK Value Expectation 2022. ARK, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ARK cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 56 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 52 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. ARK is supposed to have a base worth of 45 cents. ARK value expectation 2023. In 2023, ARK cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ARK will before long outperform 94 cents. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the ARK's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers, taking into account the market instability. ARK will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 75 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 83 cents. ARK value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.32 and ARK might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ARK is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.21 and a low of $1.14 in 2024. ARK value forecast 2025. In the event that ARK effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money aficionados, the ARK coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ARK will be green in 2025. The ARK is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $1.70, with a base cost of $1.51 and a typical cost of $1.59. ARK value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the ARK cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.97 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.89 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ARK has a greatest value worth of $2.08. ARK value forecast 2027, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.35. In the event that ARK figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $2.46. Neglecting to assemble the help ARK needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $2.27. ARK value forecast 2028. While ARK is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $2.65 and a yearly cost close above $2.84 in 2028. ARK value forecast 2029. By 2029, ARK will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $3.03 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $3.22, averaging out at $3.10. ARK value expectation 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging